Hello everyone, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys aren't already, make sure to subscribe down below. As you guys can tell, I am not in Indiana anymore. I'm on my first day of Thanksgiving break. I'm so happy to be back home and just sleep in my bed. So anyways, I thought I would just start off a weekly vlog right now. So today is a pretty chill day. I don't really have anything planned. I do really want to get my nails done. As you guys can tell, they're so gross. Whoa. So I'm definitely gonna do that. And then I think I'm also gonna see my boyfriend tonight. We're gonna have a little date night, and yeah, that's pretty much the plan. Let me show you guys my little OOTD. I'm just wearing this little red dress. It's from Realization. Super cute. I don't get to wear this stuff in Indiana because it's so cold all the time, so I thought I would wear it today. I'm off to lunch with my dad.
Yeah.
It is 1:45 right now, so we're gonna grab a quick little lunch right now, and then I have a nail appointment at 3, so we're gonna go to that because my nails are gross. And yeah, are you gonna get your nails done too, Dad?
No.
Okay. Super nutritious of me, I got a peanut butter cookie.
So wait, when did you guys fly in?
This is my favorite thing to get here. It's a buffalo chicken wrap. It's so good. It looks really bad, but it's really good. It's also super spicy. Oh, I just got to my nail appointment, so I'm getting acrylics today.
No, she's not.
It's gonna be a good time. I'm very excited.
See?
Look how good this lighting is.
No, it's just because you're pretty.
Okay, let's go.
No, Paigey, I want you to look at something. Your nails look great.
Thanks. I got home a little bit ago from my nail appointment. This is them, if I forgot to show you guys. I think I showed you guys in the car, something like that. I showered, took off all my makeup, and changed for my date tonight. I've been dating my boyfriend for like 10 months, I think now. So it's just funny saying like I'm going on a date. I don't know. Comment down below if you get what I'm saying. But anyways, I need to put on some makeup right now because I look like a complete mess. I don't think I'm going to show you guys my makeup routine just because you guys have seen it so many times and it's like pretty much the same. I think I'm going to just show you guys all the products I use so you know if you want to know. And if you guys want to see like a date night, get ready with me, makeup tutorial, comment down below and I will film that for you guys. My desk is so messy, just ignore that. I always moisturize my skin with this SK2 Illumination cream. This stuff's my favorite. Then I use my Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, and then I use 2 concealers because I'm super extra. I use this YSL concealer for under my eyes, and then my Tarte Shape Tape pretty much like everywhere else. And then I use my Chanel Tan de Soleil bronzer to match my tan, and then my NARS Orgasm blush. Then I just use my Better Than Sex mascara. And then actually I wanted to show you guys this because this is a new lip liner that I got. It's by Marc Jacobs and it's in the shade Oh Cocoa. You guys have to try this. It's literally the best. Makeup is done. I went super simple. I put a gloss over that lip liner and this is what it looks like. It's my new go-to. I used to use the Hourglass lip liner in the shade Eden. That's like my second favorite, like OG, but I think this one's like my new favorite. Anyways, my boyfriend's gonna be here super soon. We're gonna go get some dinner. I think we're gonna get sushi. I'm so excited. So this is my outfit. Sweater is from Tommy Hilfiger. It's really oversized, so I'm kind of wearing it like as a little dress. And I'm wearing it with my Urban Outfitter jeans and then my little Zara boots. And that's the fit. It's your favorite person. Oh, and she's such a nugget.
Let's ask Paige. Come here.
No. Hey. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the key is that you take your spicy tuna on crispy rice, and then you dip it in teriyaki sauce, and voila. Next thing we got is a crunch roll. This is one of our favorites. It's so good. Hi guys. So it is obviously a new day today. I have not vlogged in a little bit because I was trying to film a video that will be up by Wednesday, but I did it approved and all that stuff. So you guys will definitely see that before this weekly vlog goes up. Anyways, I got up a little bit ago and got ready for the day. I just did super simple makeup. I think I'm gonna go grab a quick bite to eat with my mom and my brother right now, so that'll be super fun. Some family time. And then I have an eyebrow appointment tonight and I need to get my eyebrows done like very bad because they're actually horrible. And maybe I'll get a spray tan while I'm in the area. Definitely a stretch, but we're gonna try. So yeah, that's the plan. I've done way too much shopping since I've been here. I've gotten so many good things for the cold weather, so if you guys want to see like a little video about that, comment down below. Yeah, way too much stuff. Literally best lipstick ever. This is in the shade Orgasm by NARS. I can't believe I know the word. Guys, I found a super cute sweater. It's like half black, half white. And it's like knitted. It's really cute. I'm trying to get a good pair of snow boots for when it snows in Indiana. These ones feel like the best ones. Do we like this phone case? I kind of want to get it. I don't know. I feel like I'm kind of 5 years old, but still really like it. What do we think of these? How about... Well, these aren't bad. Kind of look like a fly. Got the Thanksgiving goods. Okay, eyebrows are done. It's such a difference when you get your eyebrows done. It's crazy. I'm just on my way home right now, so I will see you guys there. Good morning, everyone. So today is Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I think I'm gonna get up, make some coffee, make some breakfast, and then probably just help my mom with everything before everyone comes over because we're doing like a little dinner brunch type of thing. Actually, I don't know exactly what we're doing, but I know we're doing one of those. So yeah, let's go make some breakfast. Then some lemon. Okay, I just did my makeup and threw on a little outfit. This is the makeup look. Super simple. I just did a little bit of eyeliner, some concealer, and then my little lip liner, lipstick duo that I've talked about I think before. And yeah, if you guys want a tutorial on this look, comment down below. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing this turtleneck that's this really cool camel color, and that's from Urban Outfitters. Then I'm wearing these Urban Outfitter jeans. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing these boots that are from Zara. Classic Thanksgiving football. Who are we rooting for?
Dallas.
Literally know nothing about football. Ooh. Happy Thanksgiving, Dad, by the way.
Oh, we fried a turkey. It's so good.
Is
I got
it
another. The first one's done. I got another one.
Oh. Guys, this is Ginger Spot. You're literally such a cutie. Guys, my mom is so cute. She did such a good job at decorating the table. Aww. There's me. The turkey is done. This is all the food. We have sweet potatoes with marshmallows on top. This one's my favorite. Cranberry sauce, bread. This is butternut squash, so good. And some string beans and stuffing. Let's eat. Let's get this bread. Yeah. This is my plate. I'm so excited. Oh, thanks, Blake. Thank you. When he gives me all the food that he doesn't want.
Progress there.
Pace.
It's
Want to say hey?
really good, right? It's like a country.
Hey. Vlog.
Hi, Mom. Happy Thanksgiving.
Dessert time. I have Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. It's the best. Then we have apple pie and then half-eaten pumpkin pie. Just ignore that part. We're gonna dig in. Hi guys, so obviously as you guys can tell, I'm back at college. I'm editing my video right now and I realized that I don't have an outro. So I just wanted to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Dad, Indiana has been so cold lately.
You don't know what cold is.
I know.
Buckle up, buttercup.